Good evening everyone, my name is Akash and this is Know Your Bicycle. So today we have Dr. Shankar and he has been following up with the EM Doodle for quite a long time now. Let's find out how he ended up with like buying Doodle and what was the reason behind. Yes sir.
Hi yo. Basically I was looking for a shorter like commute in the campus.
Okay.
So I was looking for some bikes. Then I got to know about Doodle, which was really cool. So we came here, tried it. It was joyful, so we bought it.
So where did you find this Doodle in the entire universe?
So I saw your videos.
Ah.
So it was small research.
Okay.
And I found it like the reviews were good. And then we came here and checked first time.
Okay. And I happen to know that you have been buying this bike for your wife, right?
Yes. So basically, it's daily commute of 2 to 3 kilometers inside the campus.
Okay.
Mostly, so we wanted something which is like go green kind of.
Okay.
This is for her.
Wow, lovely. So whosoever listening, you can definitely see that how inspirational this is. That a husband buying a beautiful looking, beautiful bike for his wife. So we have been hearing stories where father have been gifting bikes to their son and son has been gifting bikes to their fathers. But this is the first case where a husband is gifting a bike to his wife. So hats off and shout out to them. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and for more info kindly stay tuned. Thank you.